Adam here from the Walser Automotive Group, and what I want to do today is take you on a test drive. So next to me here I have the 2024 Mazda CX-5. So we'll look at the interior, the exterior, and then we'll go for a spin around and see what we think about this vehicle on the open road. Okay, so now we're behind the wheel of this 24 Mazda CX-5, and this particular one is a new trim for 2024. This is the 2.5 carbon turbo. So they've shuffled a few trims for 24. They've kind of taken away that S or that base model one, and they've added a few different things to the vehicles. They've also adjusted the suspension and some of the steering, which kind of wraps up some of the big changes for 2024, but overall it's going to be similar to the previous gen. Now, first things first, I've got my phone with me, as we usually do all the time. This particular one is going to have wireless charging, and then I am going to have wireless Apple CarPlay as well as wireless Android Auto. Now, when I'm stopped, this is going to be a touch screen, and it's very responsive. So I've got my messaging, my Google Maps, my Spotify, all my good stuff in here, and that can also be controlled down here. So if you don't want to use the touch screen, or once you get going, you can use the knob down here to control all of your infotainment stuff. So let's go for a little spin around. So there's going to be two different engine options. There's going to be your standard 4-cylinder, and then there's going to be a 4-cylinder turbo, which obviously, as the name says, that's what comes in this model. Now, I like the turbo. It's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder that is very zippy, and it is a fun vehicle to drive. Now, out on the open road, you're going to be looking at about 27 miles per gallon on the highway, so it does dip a little bit when you look at the turbo versus the standard 4-cylinder. Now, I have to talk about the exterior first. So for 2024, this is the new Zircon Sand Metallic color over terracotta and black suede. If I just told you the color name in the interior, you'd think we were probably looking at a Bentley or some high-end luxury SUV. But this is incredible. The build quality onto these vehicles, the paint quality, and the interior, I mean, this seems like it's out-kicking what it should be in for its class, where you look at Honda or Toyota as competitors. But this interior materials almost looks more towards those German SUVs when you look at the build quality and the luxury feel of it. Now, the exterior, this one is going to be a little bit different depending on which trim level you're looking at. This has that black kind of outlining of the wheel wells and the lower molding. So there's a few different significant ways if you're looking at the turbo or the standard one. Those can come painted or in black. There's a lot of different trim levels with the CX-5, but we'll just kind of focus on the one we have here today. So this also rides on the 19-inch wheels. That's going to be blacked out, and with that exterior paint color, it looks so cool. I'm a huge fan of this. I think it's definitely sporty looking. It also doesn't show dirt as much in this color. It's not like getting a black SUV where it's always going to kind of look dirty. This color, I think, will hold up very well for the Minnesota winters. Now, speaking of that, this is also going to come with all-wheel drive. All of Mazda's SUVs now come standard with the iActive all-wheel drive system, so you are going to have the sure-footedness when you're out on the road. Another thing to pair with that is going to be some of Mazda's safety features. So you can actually look through some of those safety features on the infotainment screen here, but a lot of stuff that's pretty cool is going to help you out, whether it's you or your family in the vehicle. Obviously, you're going to want to make sure you're safe, and this Mazda CX-5 is going to do that. Things like blind spot monitoring. There's also an adaptive cruise control system. So as you get going, you can turn it on here, and then you can set 4, 3, 2, 1 distances ahead of you, and it's going to keep that distance once you click set. If you're doing a lot of highway driving, cabin trips, going out on the road a lot, I mean, that is one of those excellent features that's just kind of a safety or peace of mind thing that's going to help you out if you're doing a long road trip, or if you're in stop and go. This can actually come to a complete stop and then take off again, which is very usable and helpful. Now, there is a few other safety features as well, but again, let's focus on the ride and drive of this vehicle. Mazda's heritage of the zoom with building the Miata, which is one of the ultimate sports cars, can be felt in this particular vehicle. I mean, especially with the turbo, you put your foot down and you're off and moving. So now this turbo is paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Whether it's with the turbo or the standard one, it's going to come with the 6-speed automatic. Now, focusing on that ride or drive for a second, obviously Mazda builds the Miata, which is one of the ultimate sports cars of all time, and you can kind of feel some of that sportiness and fun when you're behind the wheel of the CX-5. It's very nimble on its feet. I like the size of the CX-5 because you can kind of jet in and out of parking spots, out of tight spaces. It's not a huge vehicle, and it's easy to maneuver around and get in and out of places. So if you need a larger vehicle, or if you've got a growing family, maybe the CX-50 or obviously the new CX-90 might be a better option. But I love this for day-to-day cruising around. It's great. It's fun to drive. It's going to get great fuel economy. There's a ton of cool technology in here, whether it's the Apple CarPlay or this particular model even has the heads-up display. So when I'm on the road here, it's showing me that I'm going 30 miles per hour. It can show you what your adaptive cruise control can be set to, and your lane departure, lane mitigation system is in there as well. There's a lot of cool stuff with safety and technology built into the all-new 24 models. So focusing on the interior for a second, like I said, with this terracotta over the black suede that I like so much, these are also going to be heated as well as ventilated seats. So it is freezing cold today. I've got the 1, 2, 3 settings I can pick for the heated seat here. And then obviously when summer comes back around, those ventilated seats are going to be great to keep you cool. This one also has the dual climate control, and like I said, the wireless charging, but there also is going to be USB-C chargers in the armrest for you and in the back armrest. So if you're hauling the kids around or you've got passengers in the rear, that center armrest can fold down, and that's going to give you 2 USB chargers in there. And there's kind of a little phone slot and the cup holders, and there's pretty good space in the back. It's obviously a little bit smaller, and like I said, if you need a ton of room, maybe the CX-50 or the CX-90 would be a better option. But for day-to-day, I think you can throw the kids in the back, whether they're still in the car seats or getting a little bit older. There is plenty of room in here, and it's going to be comfortable for everyone when you're out on the go. So like I said, the design in the cabin here, there's almost kind of like a carbon fiber look to the dash. The stitching in here is beautiful. I mean, everything comes together so nicely. And with the Bose sound system in this package, and this one also has the sunroof, so you get a lot of equipment for this vehicle. Now you're gonna be over the $30,000 price range, but I think the average new car price right now in the US is something like $48,000. So, you know, it comes in under the average price, but for what you're getting for the equipment, the fit and finish, and the style on the exterior, I think if you're in the market for a crossover SUV, you absolutely have to add the 24 Mazda CX-5 to your list to come out, take it for a drive, and see what you think. So that was just a quick drive and look in the all-new 2024 Mazda CX-5. Now, if you'd like to schedule a test drive or to see one in person, you can visit us online at walser.com or stop by either one of our Mazda locations. We'd be happy to help you out. Thanks again for watching.